I am from Watkinsville, New York. I went to school originally at Corning Community College for nursing. I decided that is not what I wanted to do with my life anymore, and then I figured out what a doula was, and I actually have cousins that are doulas, so it was pretty cool that she kind of introduced that to me. And then I went to Birth Beautifully, a doula training institute up in Syracuse for birth doula training, postpartum doula training, and I'm a certified newborn care specialist. A birth doula is someone that cares for the whole family, mom, partner, siblings, everything like that, through the pregnancy, labor and delivery, and then postpartum experience. I support them with, mental, physical, emotional support. I help them learn how to advocate for themselves, and I'm also there to advocate for them. I help with hands-on comfort measures, breathing techniques throughout labor and delivery. And then I help them build their birth plans. And then afterwards, I help with breastfeeding, formula feeding. I help with newborn care. I help them get, situated for their new life, meal prepping, things like that. I met my partner when I was young. I actually did want to move to somewhere warm, but we decided to stay here, and now we have a family here. And my whole family is also around here, so it kind of stuck me here. And I didn't know that doulas could be hired by hospitals. I knew in bigger areas they were more likely to be hired by hospitals, but Guthrie is the first one, and anywhere in our region that would even consider it, so that's why I'm here. Some of the rewards for being a doula is I get to see patients really absorb into motherhood, parenthood, fatherhood, and it's beautiful. I'm in a very vulnerable part of a patient's life, and I don't think there's anything more that I can say with that, because it's absolutely amazing for someone to trust me that much to really hold this for them, and I usually become a very big part of their life afterwards. But I want patients to know that I'm open to every kind of birth, no matter what your history was with births, what kind of birth you want. If you want some sort of hospital birth, or maybe you want a lot of less interventions, maybe you want completely medicated, maybe a C-section, I want them to know that I'm open to anything. I'm willing to support any person that's giving birth. I want to advocate for their wishes. And I want them to, try out this doula thing, because it's pretty awesome. I think it could really change their, whole experience.